In this video,
We will learn how to mute other players in Fortnite. In order to mute other players in Fortnite, firstly we need to head to the profile section from the top right hand side of our screen. Left click on our profile picture. From here we'll click on the gear button from the bottom hand side. After that we'll head to the communication tab, which is the third one from the left. In here you will find your voice chat and text chat options. In order to mute other players from your voice chat and text chat simultaneously, all you need to do is turn your voice chat to off and also turn your text chat to off. After doing that, you can click on apply, then head back to the main menu. Now after getting into the game, if you press enter, you'll see that your text chat is disabled, and also by pressing escape and heading to the voice chat functionality, you'll see that the voice chat is also turned off. So this is how you can mute every player in game and enjoy Fortnite. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.